Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap from Equity Sense. Before we begin, earnings season is going to be up and running next week. We have Netflix to start on Monday afternoon, and then we continue on with Goldman Sachs and so on and so forth. So, if you guys are interested, we do have a stock earnings strategy course. It's a very quick guide, actually, or course. And if you want the video, it's only 1 hour, 2 hours long. It's pretty simple. It just outlines what we do before, during, and after any earnings report. At the same time, it also talks about how you trade it from a stock perspective as well as from an options perspective. So options and stock traders are welcome. There are strategies that also combine them both to make sure you have maximum impact on your trades. At the same time, earnings season is a good time to review your investment portfolio to make sure that stocks that are in your portfolio actually belong there. So we do offer investment class to kind of understand how to understand earnings and how to read earnings reports to make sure you understand you have a better um, reception of what's happening with the market as a whole. Okay, so let's get to what's happened today, or at least the whole week anyway. The whole week was a very busy week. We started off with the pound really crashing severely, and then moving on to so many different sort of issues, whether it was OPEC as well as notable reports from, of course, Apple with Samsung Note 7 being discontinued in the US as well as all over the world right now. So that kind of gave a huge boost to the Apple stock. Perhaps the biggest news in the stock world was Twitter and CRM and all the other big bidders actually withdrawing, and we actually had that huge drop this week. And today, which was a bigger bombshell, was CRM CEO Benioff actually came out and said that they are not going to buy Twitter, which basically leaves SoftBank, private equity firm. I think Microsoft has also removed themselves from the bidders list, so it's not looking good. There's so many talk that buyers want Twitter to be at $14 or $13 before they even decide to do anything. Most likely, and this is as objective as I can be, when a company does not want to buy your stock or your company, they probably have seen something they don't like, or your price is just too high. So if you're a Twitter holder and you still believe that they're going to be bought out for 25, 28, $30, I mean, good luck. God bless you. I hope that works out for you. Really, I really do hope that it works out for you. So everything else will take, everything in terms of movements will now be from earnings, and as well as the last presidential debate next Wednesday. So that should be pretty interesting to see what Donald Trump and Clinton is going to talk. It's interesting today too because Yellen was incredibly dovish, yet the stock market did not even rally. So, it makes me really think something else is going on in the background there. So, if you're a stock trader or a futures trader, forex trader, make sure you understand what's really going on. There were plenty of news, plenty of events to move all different assets or security types, right? If you're a forex guy, you had pound. If you're a futures guy, you had oil, you had grains, you had, of course, bonds and indices, and of course stocks. There were just so many movements. Whether it was on Google, we played so many things this week that I can't even remember half of them anymore. But I think the biggest one this week for stocks was Google, and Google did pretty well. We were able to short it at 812, and it brought us all the way down to 800. So a lot of people were able to do well on that short. So, and of course, Twitter, we'll see how that turns out. And of course, I'll end with Deutsche Bank's report where Germany said that state bailout is actually out of the question. So that's going to be interesting to see how Deutsche Bank is going to play out in the coming days, weeks, and months. Okay, so again, don't forget, guys, we do still have the Lucky 12 sale. If you have any questions, just hit us up, www.equitysense.com. Good luck, have a wonderful weekend, take care, and hope your trades are always profitable.